Hey, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. Today we're playing Steady by Jerry McCain on a B-flat harmonica. Don't go anywhere. If you enjoyed today's lesson, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to get free harmonica lessons every single week. So today we're going to look at one of the most popular and instantly recognisable harp instrumentals. It's one of the first ones I ever heard, and it is, of course, Jerry McCain's Steady. Grab a B-flat harmonica and we'll have a closer look. So in today's YouTube lesson, we're going to look at the first verse of this song. If you'd like to learn the full song, you can check out my premium lesson by following the link beneath the video. If you're enjoying my premium lessons, do make sure you check out my members zone, where you can get access to all of my premium lessons, and that's a growing collection as I'm putting up a new one each week. That costs just $19.99 a month, or you can save 2 months if you pay yearly rather than monthly. Okay, so let's listen to the first verse. I'll just play the record for us and then we'll look at the tab. Okay, so that's the first verse. Let's go back to line A. So that's a lovely little opening, I think. Let's slow it down. Okay. So we've got kind of a sliding up from the 2 draw to the 4 draw. So 2, 3, 4 draw, and then 5 blow, 6 blow twice. So, and then 5 draw twice, 4 draw twice. And then 4 blow, 4 draw, 3 draw semitone bend, 2 draw. So, and then 4 blow, 4 draw, 3 draw semitone bend, 2 draw that kind of bends down. You've got that sort of feel to it. Okay, and then line B, let's have a listen. Okay, slow that down. Okay. His tone is gorgeous in this song. He's really breaking up a really nice kind of vintage sound. So we've got 2 draw, and then a 3-4 draw, kind of dirty sort of double stop, 4 blow, 3, 4 again, 2 draw, 2 blow, 1 draw, 2 draw. You might want to give a little bit of a warble on that 3-4 draw. It's not completely, but it's almost like there's a little bit of a wobble. You know, it's up to you, but okay. And then there's quite a big gap. So let's hear line B into C. Here we go. Big gap. Here's C. Okay. Oops, I've gone back to B by mistake. Let's skip to C. Okay. So let's hear it again. Okay, so we've got that first section. So we've got 2 draw twice, and then the third time it kind of bends down. And then goes to the 1 draw and then a 2 blow. So. So after that 2 blow, we've got a 2 draw, 3 draw semitone bend, 2 draw, 3 draw semitone bend that just kind of releases that little scoop, 4 draw, 5 blow. Yeah. Now, lines C and D, you could have said that part of C and D were the same line. So you have to kind of draw boundaries between lines to make it bite-sized so that you and I can understand it and hopefully learn it. But one of the things I really like about steady is the phrasing. It's kind of difficult to chop up the lines, which I like. They kind of overlap the chords and stuff. It's really nice. So line D actually comes straight on from line C, and we've got... Okay, so just... So 2 draw twice, and then 2 blow, 1 draw, and then 2 blow, 1 draw again, and 2 draw twice, 2 blow, 1 draw. Da 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 da. Nice kind of sweet melody. And then line E. Okay. 2 blow, 2 blow, 1 draw, 4 draw, 4 draw, 5 draw, 4 blow. And then our final line of verse 1 is line F. Okay, let's slow that down a bit. So we're starting on the 4 draw, sliding down, and then 2 blow. And then 4 blow, 4 draw, 3 draw semitone bend that goes down to a full step bend, and then 2 draw, 2 blow, 2 draw. So that's the end of verse 1. So that's all we've got time for in today's YouTube lesson. If you'd like to learn the whole of Steady, then do check out my link to the premium lesson beneath this video. If you're enjoying my premium lessons, then consider becoming a member of my website, where for $19.99 a month, you get access to all of my premium lessons and tabs, and it's a growing community and a growing collection of lessons because I'm putting up a new one every single week. So check out the link beneath the video to that as well. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell to get free harmonica lessons every single week. Do send me your comments and your questions, and also find me on social media as usual. Until I see you again, enjoy your practice. Cheers.